Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Oppo A96. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones. Then tap on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this completely free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both Oppo smartphones. Then select Receive on Oppo A96 and Send on this Oppo smartphone. Following that, you need to choose all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. Over here on Oppo A96, just no thanks, tap on Close this window, and from here finally we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Oppo A96, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here real quick and choose Receive. Now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!